Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Libras. So let us see what is coming up, guys. So we'll be picking a few cards for your general energies, guys, and few cards for your love energies. These are for the general energies, guys, and we will turn the cards as we proceed into the reading. These are for your love energies. So this is what your person feels or what you feel, and what is the status of your relationship. So let us turn these cards first. High Priestess in reverse, the Emperor, Strength in reverse, guys. Ace of Pentacles, Justice. So these are for your general energies, guys. Libras, the energies with these cards, guys. This may relate to your work situation or your relationship, your personal life. So you are seeing some kind of new beginning, something which you are really passionate about. Maybe a new person, or in this relationship you are deepening this connection with this person. You are heading towards the next step. Maybe a deep commitment, engagement, or marriage. Some new beginning is coming up, guys. Something which you are really passionate about, which you are very much interested, guys. So that kind of beginning is coming up, or it may relate to some work opportunity, something creative, something new, maybe a second job or something is coming your way, guys. Some career move, maybe a second option, something related to art, maybe like painting. You may be you would have had some hobbies as a painter or dancer, singer, something creative. So you are pursuing it as a second career, maybe for some of you all. That may also be the energy here, guys. And you are feeling that power in your position. You are able to do the things that you need to do. You are in a very good position in your life. Whatever you need is coming your way, guys, and you certainly feel that authority while handling certain things. Maybe you are a team leader and people look up to you for your decisions. That may also be the energy here, guys. And the way you do your work, the way you execute your whatever work related decisions, people appreciate that, and people appreciate the way you manage your work and you exhibit your skills. So you are extremely talented. That is what I get here with these cards, guys. Maybe for some of you all, there may be people who are trying to use you for your power. Maybe some relatives, friends, somebody, they may try to use you for your position in work. Or some people may feel that you are being quite stern in certain decisions. They may feel that you are using your power to make a certain situations go in a particular way, but that may be because you are a very unbiased person. You want to get the work done, and you want a perfection in everything. So that may be the reason that you are stern on certain things, but that may reflect in a different way with certain people, guys. So that may also be the energy here, Libras. And something which you're really passionate about is coming, guys, today, coming towards you. Maybe this may be a new beginning in your life, some new person. If you are single, maybe this may be an opportunity where somebody new is coming in, guys, and you may fall in love with them. So that is also the energy here, guys. So let us see what is your card for your love energy. So let us turn these cards. Queen of Wands, Judgment in reverse, King of Wands in reverse. So the energy with these cards, Libras, is that you, your person or yourself, this is your mutual energy, guys. You feel that friendliness, love, affection and attraction in this relationship, and they love your company and you love their company. And maybe sometimes your person feels or you feel they are quite stern in certain decisions, just like I said with the previous cards. Certain situations you take stern decisions, and people may think of you as a very stern person, a stubborn person, the way you handle things. So that may be because you want that perfection, that perfection in your work. That may be the reason. But certain people may feel that you are overimposing them because of your position you hold in work, or the way you deal things, your status. So that may also be the energy here. Maybe this person, they feel they are not courageous enough to come and propose to you, or you may feel that you are not courageous enough to go propose to them. You may feel a certain kind of weakness. This may be because of love, guys, because of love, and you may feel what this person may say, and you are not coming out truly with your feelings. That may be the energy here, guys. And maybe for some of you all, it denotes a very good relationship, but you are having certain inhibitions. That may be because of their status, position, or because of the way they are. But they are very loving at heart, guys, very tolerant. That you should also think of that side of their character. So certain decisions you are you are thinking within yourself what you need to do. So maybe you are making certain decisions regarding this relationship, what you need to do, your future plan of action. And maybe because this person is some kind of sternness is there in them. If they decide a particular thing, they will not go back. So that may be also the reason that you are thinking what is your next step. So you want to decide perfectly for yourself and for them. So that may be the energy here, guys. So let us see what is the love message from this person. And maybe someone new is coming your way. You are planning to propose to this person, but you are thinking first deeply within yourself what you need to do, and then you share that mutual understanding, trust and love in this relationship, guys. That is what I see here with these cards. You are my home. a very apt card for your situation, I believe. So you feel that comfort, compatibility with this person, that security and sense of stability in this relationship, and you surely see the goal where you want to reach, maybe a happy family with this person. So you are in this relationship because of the way this person makes you feel secure, happy and comfortable, and you may be dreaming of starting a family with them guys, or they may be dreaming of starting a family with you. So this is your energy for today, Libras. I hope you like this reading. If this reading resonated with you all, please like and comment. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Libras.